Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel GSC Analyst. So in this video we are going to learn how to generate barcode using Excel formulas. So I have here a product identifier number which can be anything, UAN, ERN, anything which can be a product number. So first of all, these are in general format, so we need to convert it into text format. The first thing you need to do, and the second thing is to concat it with star. Concating with simple command and star. So this is what you have to do. And the second process is to take the format as font format as barcode. So the question is, from where we took this barcode format? So this is the simplest way. You just go to Google and search here 3 of 9 barcode font. So searching this 3 of 9 barcode font, you can get a website from where you can download. So download from here and just install the font and then open Excel. After opening Excel, when you see the font format, you will see here barcode format. So this is the way you can generate n number of barcodes using Excel in seconds. So thanks again for watching the full video and keep learning. Happy learning. Subscribe my YouTube channel for further useful videos on Excel, SQL and data science. Thanks.